So hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a weld it yourself kit day. Basically this is going to be a video of me making a kit for you guys to purchase and weld yourself at home. It's sort of like a practice thing where you get something at the end of it. So without further ado, let's crack on. There's some footage of the CNC going and then some of me assembling it so you can use it as reference to how to put it together. I'll see you at the end of it. So now that all the parts are cut, it's time to start putting them together. Right, so there you go. That's it. That's your fire pit. You say we'll ship it out to anywhere in the UK as long as it's not in the Highlands for about £10. And there's loads of welding you can do on it, honest to God. I mean, I've thrown that one together just so you can see what it's like finished. But at the end of the day, I mean, you can weld it inside, outside, fully seam weld it, tack weld it, whatever you want to do. MIG weld it, stick weld it, or you can TIG weld it. You know, the choice is all yours. So anyway, if you're interested in any of these kits that I do, send me a message on my email, or email me on my email, which will be by there in a second, and we can sort something out. So, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you might think, oh, I could do with one of those. And to close, I'd just like to say thanks again to the channel sponsor, Extreme Plasma. Absolutely bloody amazing kit, amazing site. Have a look at their website, have a look at their YouTube channel. There's loads of other really, really cool YouTubers on there, not like me. And I'll catch you on the next one.